Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn this topic: an indefinite tense, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. He rides bicycle. He does not ride bicycle. Does he ride bicycle? The cook bakes the cake. The cook does not bake the cake. Does the cook bake the cake? She plucks the flower. She does not pluck the flower. Does she pluck the flower? He paints the wall. He does not paint the wall. Does he paint the wall? Hina studies math. Hina does not study math. Does Hina study math? Ali talks to his teacher. Ali does not talk to his teacher. Does Ali talk to his teacher? She cleans the living room. She does not clean the living room. Does she clean the living room? Sentences with I, we, you, they, and plural form. These are used as a subject. I brush my teeth. I do not brush my teeth. Do I brush my teeth? I clean the living room. I do not clean the living room. Do I clean the living room? They talk to each other. They do not talk to each other. Do they talk to each other? Salma and Ali talk to each other. Salma and Ali do not talk to each other. Do Salma and Ali talk to each other? You fix the car. You do not fix the car. Do you fix the car? We talk to each other. We do not talk to each other. Do we talk to each other? If you like my video, then please share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.